Hello everyone and welcome to a very special episode of Happy Chef. In celebration of Chinese New Year Eve 2019, we'll be making a stone style hot pot. So let's look at the ingredients that we'll be using in today's video. So let's look at the ingredients that we'll be using in today's recipe. So what we have here is beef and pork. Ask your local butchers ask them to thinly slice your meat on plate number 6. We also have various seafood products that you can find in your local Chinese supermarket and your local supermarket. So as we have here some various veg. You can have your own options of veg, but it also needs to include some onions. For the sauce, we have some Chinese barbecue sauce, some eggs. Just to show you how thin plate number 6 is, I got one example here of our meat, our pork here. Look at our beef. As we don't have any of the specialist equipment because we're cooking it at home, so you could just use a normal frying pan. That's simple enough. Fry that and we'll pop it into a really big saucepan. So first we'll fry off our onions. So in the pan we put some oil in and we'll add some butter in next, and we'll put into the onions to start frying. To start boiling. Onions in. Break down your onions. Get that to start cooking. And then we'll need to add our meat into the pan. Make a bit of a room here. And then just mix it around. So now we're going to add, so we browned our onions and our pork, so we're going to actually put it into our big saucepan. And then we can actually now start adding the other ingredients. When adding a bit of more, add some warm water. So now we need to put all our various Chinese fish products into our start of a hot pot. So carefully put them in. Use a ladle if you need to. Start with 2 Chinese fish products. There we go. And then we can put our veg in. Be careful when you put your tofu in, because if you put it too high, the tofu will break. Moving on, we're going to make the sauce. To make the sauce, you'll need to first crack 1 egg, or if you want more people, feed more people, crack 2 eggs, split 2 eggs. So let's start with the egg 1. So now we need to pour our egg whites into our hot pot, and then we need to put 1 tablespoon of our barbecue sauce. If you're sharing, we're going to add 2. And then mix the egg yolks with your barbecue sauce. And that is the sauce made. So now we're going to just add a bit of soy sauce for taste. So you want a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 2, and then mix that in. And that's done for your sauce. And then now you can start eating your my special guest today in this special episode is my grandma that came from Taiwan.
Hi. Hi.
So, my grandma's going to demonstrate on how to eat a stone-style hot pot. So this is the end of the episode, and I hope you enjoy watching me create this stone style hot pot. And thanks again for my grandma to being in this video. And I hope you have a good Chinese New Year, and like, share and subscribe to see more of me on the Happy Chef YouTube channel. Thanks, see you in the next one.
Happy Chef is sponsored by GM Magazine.
恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！